What is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross back at it again with yet another video. Today's video, as you have probably seen, we are in my bathroom because I'm gonna share with you my nighttime regimen for my natural hair. I decided to also throw in my DIY growth oil recipe and my DIY rice water recipe. This is nothing new, but it has been helping me. There are probably a lot of videos here on YouTube, especially for the rice water, but I wanted to share with you anyways that I'm using that. So if you see my hair crazily growing the next few months, then that is the reason why, because I see a difference ever since I start using it. So I'll definitely keep you posted on that. But girl, if you want longer and stronger hair, then make these because they will help you out. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, then hey, I am Jennyfer Ross. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up because that helps me out a lot. It helps a lot of people to see this video. So make sure you do that for me. And I've also used the community tab for this video today to figure out what you guys wanted to see. If that is something that you want me to do more often, then let me know in the comments down below. And also, just let me know in general what else you want to see on my channel. But yes, we're gonna go ahead and just get into it. For the rice water recipe, I'm starting with a cup of organic brown rice. You can use any rice you have. I'm pouring some boiled water on top of it. Then I'm just letting that sit for about 20 minutes, stir it up a little bit, and then later I just pour it into my spray bottle, and that's basically it. For my oil mix, I'm using half a cup of all my favorite oils. I'm using less of the oils that are thick or that are very concentrated, like the peppermint oil and the castor oil, but all the other oils I'm just using half a cup of them. Then I just make sure to shake it up very well, and I just use this for everything. I use this like when I'm washing my hair, but also like to take down my twist and for anything, or to massage my scalp at night. And this is so bomb, you guys. Like, you need to try this, amiga. For my night routine, I'm starting off by taking down my hair. I'm starting off on a 3-day-old twist out. I apply my rice water to my little section. Then I go in with my moisturizer. This day I was using the Curl Cocktail from the Jane Carter solution. I applied it to my hair, detangle with my Denman brush, and then I go in with my growth oil. I make sure to apply this all over the strands of my hair to seal in that moisture, but also to my scalp, because there is where the hair is growing, so you want to make sure you apply a little bit to the scalp as well. And then I just twist my hair. This day I was doing a 3-strand twist, but sometimes this can also be a 2-strand twist, like the regular one, or a braid out or whatever. But basically I just twist out my hair, and I make sure to repeat this step all over my hair until my whole hair is covered in all the twists. So the order that you want to do is apply your rice water, then apply your moisturizer, then apply your oil, and then twist. And that's basically what you want to do until your whole hair is covered. Once I'm completely done, this is what the back looks like. It's not perfect, and then I just tie it down with a satin scarf, and then it is bedtime. The next day I am starting off with some oil. I applied it to my hands and coat my hands with a little bit of oil, and then I basically just take down the twist and also separate them while I take them down. And yes, I just basically repeat this step until all the twists are taken down.
Then it's time for the finishing touches. First off, I'm smoothing down my edges with the red one hair wax. I'm using the black one because I like that one the best. Then I take a white tooth comb and I pick and fluff my hair and make that more voluminous. And last but not least, I'm using some hair perfume by Xoxo and I just spritz that into my hair. And that is it. This is the final look. I really like how this turned out, and this lasted for 3 more days.
That is it, amiga. We're gonna wrap up this video. Before we do that though, I want to shout out the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day goes to Rougeanette Sass. And she says, love this video, babe. More please. I definitely need to lay off sugars. We don't want that situations, sis. If you don't know what she's talking about, she is talking about my feminine hygiene video. I'll link it right up here if you want to see it. So go check that out. And Rougeanette, thank you so much for leaving me this nice comment. I appreciate your support, your love. You've been a true one since day one. So thank you so much. We need more of this feminine support in our lives. But I appreciate every single one of you that made it up until this point in the video. Make sure you leave me a nice comment down below if you want to be featured in the next comment of the day. And yes, thank you for hanging out with me. And until next time, peace.